Of course, the first stop on the highway to homeownership is with a mortgage broker. I prefer brokers because they have access to lending programs across the spectrum. Credit unions and banks have some of the same programs, but throughout the industry, qualifications may be slightly different. It is in your best interest to speak to several different lenders to be sure that who you're choosing is right for you. Get to know your mortgage individual, such as are they working as a broker or a traditional lender, or both. Some banks work as a traditional lender and a broker at the same time. You should check on who you're considering working with at the National Association of Mortgage Brokers or the Better Business Bureau. If you would like a referral, I have several mortgage professionals who can run scenarios, help you understand the fees, and are able to give you a budget to get started on what would be in a comfortable monthly payment.